If your YouTube TV shows no channels, an empty live guide, or missing local networks, don't worry. This problem is common and easy to fix. Here's how to restore your full channel list. Start by checking your live guide filters. Open the Live tab and look for the Sort or Filter option at the top. If it's set to Custom, some channels may be hidden. Change it to All Channels or edit your custom list to re-enable hidden channels. Next, check your current playback area. Go to Profile, Settings area and allow location access. If YouTube TV cannot detect your location, it may block channels completely. Now verify your home area. If you moved homes or changed Wi-Fi networks, update your home area so your local channels load correctly. Then confirm your membership status. If premium channels are missing, open Settings, Membership to make sure your add-ons are still active. Finally, restart the app, clear cache, or reinstall YouTube TV to refresh the channel list. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.